Hi guys, welcome to our new release YouTube hop. We have lots of inspiration for you. We have a brand new box and it is called Mermaid and Friends. I'm super excited about this theme. So I can't wait to show you the products, so stick around. But let's get into the hop first. So all you have to do for the hop is click on the hashtag N2S Mermaids. That will open up all the videos in this hop, and there are 7 videos to hop to. Leave a comment on each video, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and a subscribe. When you're done hopping, go to the Rafflecopter link and get your entry in. There I will be pulling the winner in a week and announcing it on my community tab here on YouTube. Let's get into some details about the box. So there's 2 options. You can check out as a one-time purchase, or you could check out as a club member. So choose monthly as your frequency when you check out. That will get you an extra 5% off, plus it will reserve your next month's box until you cancel. I have all the details on the listing. Just open up the listing and scroll down and you can read everything about the monthly subscription. So let's get into the items that are included in this box. We have a slimline paper pad this time around and also a 6x6 paper pad. All of our papers, ephemeras, and some of our stamps are created by Teresa Russell, who is formerly known as Scrappin' for Less. She is now fresh and renewed with Teresa here on YouTube, and she is a part of our design team, so you might want to follow her. And look at that paper. It looks like real glitter. I love it. And then our ephemera is just so pretty. I've got beautiful card samples to share. I'm going to go through the release with you. Don't forget, if you sign up as a club member, you get an extra 5% off during checkout. So your box will ship priority mail for $8. And international, there is a calculator on the website that will give you the price for shipping. So we've got 3 stamp sets in this box. So we've got Believe in Magic, which is really cute. I love this beautiful large sentiment. Magic is all around. You just have to believe. And it's got some stars and a little heart with a banner. Just really pretty. And then there's some seaweed, a star, a fish, and a shell. And let me share the card that I did using that stamp set. So we've got this one here. So I embossed the sentiment with white. So I was able to go right over that sentiment with my distress inks and then rub off any of the ink that was on top. And it turned out beautiful. And I did add the sequence on the card that comes in this kit. These images here are from the next stamp set that I'm going to show you, and the seaweed is from the stamp set Believe in Magic. And then look at that beautiful paper in the background. So that is from our slimline paper pad, and it looks like real glitter. It's so pretty. So this is a mini slimline card. So the next stamp set here is Hugs and Fishes, and I do have some of these stamps available individually. I have this one and this one. So there is limited stock on the individual stamps. So this one's called Hugs and Fishes. It's really cute. I love the little seahorses facing each other, because then you could kind of make a little card, like a Valentine's Day card or something like that. I love this narwhal. It's super cute. And this jellyfish. Oh, I love that. And the sentiments read, Hugs and Fishes, sorry I was sharp, see you soon, we will never lose each other. And then you got this little blowfish. So he goes perfect with this sentiment, sorry I was sharp. So you can stamp out a bunch of them swimming. And then you got some coral and a sand dollar, and lots of bubbles to play with. I love putting glossy accents on top of my bubbles. So another card using this one is this one here. So this card I did all masking. So it's a flat card. And then I did some inking. So I masked off my images, did some inking in the background, and stamped out the sentiment on top, "See you soon." And then I added some glitter just for some extra shine. And I colored these with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. And then this next stamp here is called Be Mermazing. And I love this one with the mermaid. She is so pretty. And then this beautiful fish with the fanned out fin right there. We've got like a little crown like with little pearls and shells. And then the sentiment here, "You are mermazing," is curved just like this, so it would be perfect to put on top of that. "Let's celebrate," "Be magical," "In a sea of fish," "Be mermazing," "Mermaid kisses," "Mermaid kisses," and "Starfish wishes." And then you got shells and another fish there, more bubbles, and coral. So love it. So let me show you a card I did with this one. So here's a Slimline card. So this one I did use some paper from the Slimline paper pad. And then I also did a little hill here that I just ink blended with my Distress inks. And then I colored all of these with my Copics, and I did mix in some of the seaweed stamp from the Be Magical stamp set. And I thought this one turned out really, really pretty. Also did this card using most of those stamps. I did interchange them because those two stamp sets are so good together. You can make just a big scene with all of the stamps. So I did use some of the seaweed from the other stamp set and some of the shells. So this one I did with no line coloring. And I don't do it often, but when I do, I just love the results. It looks so storybook-like. And for these cards, you'll see process videos throughout the month because I did record some of the process for these. This one's a shaker card, so I love that. And what I did was I cut out these circles with a stackable circle die and just made them look like bubbles. This is the paper from the Slimline paper pad, and I did just a background watercolor paper and just splashed on some different inks, my Distress inks, and then I topped off the card with some sequins. So really love that. Let me zoom in so you can get a look at that no line coloring. And then you do get a pack of ephemera, so you got so many beautiful pieces in here. I'll have a picture of all the pieces that you get in this pack. And I had a lot of fun making cards with that. So these two cards are using ephemera. So this one, look how cute this came out. This is one of my favorites. I did use a pink and Maine die here for this little frame. And then this is paper from the Slimline paper pad. And then these are ephemera pieces. And you can get two looks out of your ephemera. You can see on this one it has a bigger border, and then this one it has a smaller border. I just took my scissors and trimmed down to make a smaller white border. I did stamp out the bubbles on this one, and then use the sentiment "In a sea of fish, be mermazing." And I love how it just looks like you actually stamped these images and colored them yourselves. It looks really, really cool. And then here's another card. This one's really cool. I saw someone on YouTube do a card like this, and I knew I wanted to make something like this. So it lays flat so you can actually mail it. I think I did this in a 5.5 by 5.5, and then I cut the circle out with a die, added some acetate there, and then used my ephemera pieces, and then I scored some lines down 3 different score lines spaced evenly, and then added some paper from the paper pad, the 6x6 paper pad, and then added paper on the inside, and then put some ephemera, and then this I added on foam tape so it could be my stopper. So this is how you actually display the card. So it has a little dome and it sits up like that. So I thought that was really, really pretty. So here's the papers. I'm going to open them up so you could see how beautiful they are, but I'm going to keep this quick and short. There's 7 people in the hop. So all you have to do is hop on over, hit that hashtag N2S Mermaids, and you'll see everybody that's included in this hop. And the videos are not too long, so you can get through this quickly. So look how beautiful this is. And Teresa Russell from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa does all the papers for me, and they are just gorgeous. Look at that. And she is formerly known as Scrappin' for Less, and she also designs some of the stamps for me and the ephemera. Oh, I love this one. That is so pretty. Look how pretty these papers are. I could just go on and on forever with these papers, but I gotta hurry up so you guys can hop to the next person. Let me just spread them out. Just look at all those yummy designs. It's so gorgeous. And then flip it over. I love the colors, they're so pretty. So the Slimline paper pad is single-sided this time. So you got 12 designs, 2 of each. And look at these beautiful glittered papers. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like real glitter. So these will make perfect backgrounds, frames. Look at that. And then we've got some designs in here. Really pretty, I love that one. Love that one. And that's the one that I used on my card. So gorgeous. I will be pulling the winner in a week. You'll see the winner on my community tab here on YouTube. You'll also see the winner if you click on the Rafflecopter link. You'll see the winner announced there. The winner will be contacted by email. You just have to reply to my email and I will send you your code. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope you guys enjoy this box of the month. All the links will be in the description box for you. Head on over, check it out, and I'll see you real soon. Bye guys.